Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare scent leaf stew. So guys can see my scent leaf here. I'm going to cut it and wash it. Here I have fresh tomato and onion, Maggi season, salt, dry fish and pomo. Have vegetable oil here and pepper. So guys, let's go back to fire. Now on the pot on the fire, make the water dry. Scent leaf stew, very sweet and yummy stew. So the water is dry. Now add the vegetable oil. Allow it to hot before putting your onion and fresh tomato. Allow it to hot very well. Now pour your tomato and now put pepper. Let them fry together. Don't want too much pepper. Allow it to fry before you adding anything. So when the tomato and onion is fried, I'll now wash the scent leaf and cut it. So guys, I've washed the scent leaf. Now cut it. Make sure you cut it. Wash it very well because of the sand. Cut it when the sauce in the fire, the tomato is fried. You cut your scent leaf after washing it. So guys, can see, now pour the fish. If you want to use meat, you can use meat too. Me, I prefer using fish. Now put your Maggi seasoning. Now add little salt. You allow it to done together first. Now put your crayfish. After you put everything, you cover it like 10 minutes so that the ingredient, the fish, will done before putting the scent leaf. Now cover it for 10 minutes. So guys, let's check the thing. Wow, it's done. Now reduce the light. Now to put the leaf. Leaf stew. You put the leaf, not the leaf is strong. You cover it like 2 minutes so that let the leaf done well. So I'll cover it like 2 minutes. Wow, it's done. Now off the light. Can see, it's a very simple menu and simple recipe. So let me dish it in the plate and see it. As you do it like this, you can use it for swallow, you can use it for rice, you can use it for anything you like to use it and eat, can use it for. It's not saying only rice, can even use it and use swallow. So that is all for scent leaf stew. It's a very simple menu It's not hard. Thanks for watching. If today is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome. If you have been watching my video, you are also welcome. I appreciate you guys that you be try for me. Thanks and see you in my next video. Bye.